Hi, my name is Charlotte, and if you want to watch a channel that provides tips, tricks, hacks, and etc. for home gardeners with no land or only a small plot of land for the average gardener, then start now by clicking subscribe, hitting the bell icon so you don't miss out, and smashing that like button to help us get more views. And the more views we get, the more people get our information, and I'm pretty sure they'll be thankful for that. Now today, we have a lot of subjects to cover. The first one is, well, do you guys know what leek is? Well, it's this. Most people see this as a weed, but we don't. Actually, we planted them. Before, we only had 3 rows, which is, come over here, camera guy. These 3 rows, but then it extended under these, which are this year's, and went all the way over here and basically our whole garden. I'm pretty sure you guys see leek as a grass or a weed, and I'm pretty sure you guys already plucked it out. But don't worry, these things are pretty much invincible, and they go great with eggs. So first thing, but since we have too much leek, we need to give some to our friends. So this is how you do it. First, you kind of just dig it out with a big shovel. And then this is a new clod. So worms really love this. They come from far and wide in our neighbor's garden even to come over here and live in these. Because leek has really strong roots and a nice protective home. So first you kind of just want to rub it and break it in half or break apart loose. Do not kill the roots. And so you kind of just shake it loose. And like that. It's okay if you break a minor root, but do not break the major root system. Kind of rub the clod of earth and do that with all your parts. So this is the first part of my video. I'll get back to you when I'm done. See you!